So this is Greg Bridges with Trading Pips. So today we're going to go over the US dollar and CHF. So we already have our support and resistance lines up. The green line being our support line and the red line up here being our resistance line. If you go back in time, you can pretty much tell on this daily chart that, hey, we had a low somewhere around the 99069 range, and we had a high right around the 1.00954, close to the 1.01 range, right? But as time went on, obviously the currency dropped back down, and then the currency pair decided to go back up, and it actually went back up and actually hit around close to the 101.2 range and some change before drastically descending all the way back down to its support once again. And usually when these currency pairs go up and go down, they always hit a certain section, whether it be your support or resistance lines, and they bounce right off of it. As you can tell, it bounced right off that resistance or that support line, and it started going right back up. So this is the daily chart. So it's a long term, within a month time frame of the movement between these bounces. So if you are deciding on trading, just remember that if you're not looking at getting, maybe 10 to 20 pips a day off the trade, then you need to be looking at a long-term outlook, meaning it may not descend back down into this area or even close to this area for another month or so. So you want, while you will be positive in your profits, you won't get the full value of your trade unless you let it continue to move on. So anyway, as I keep moving, I show you that I have a sell limit up at 17,000, and I'm taking it in at 1.01021, which is a sell, and I'm taking my profit at 49.9 pips or 1.00522. I have a lot of 17,000, like I told you before, and my profit is going to be $84.17. Now, depending on how I'm feeling, I may raise that up. As you can tell, if you change the 17, say I changed it to 20, excuse me, change that to 20, you'll see that I'm making $99. And if I change that to 25 lots, 25,000 lots, I made 123. But as you change your lot size, you also know that you're changing the amount of money that you're risking. So that would be in terms of your margin. So 25,000 lot would probably be for me somewhere around the $700, $800 margin range. Now this is a mini account, which means I have about $2,600 in this account. So I don't want to go that high when it comes to that. So I'm not going to modify it. I'm going to leave it at 17. That's what I'm willing to risk for this particular account. And we're going to see what we come out with what we want. So we're only going basically 50 pips. We're going to get $84 out of that, and we're going to keep pushing. So once again, red lines for you beginners is your resistance line. Green line down here is your support lines. And if you're smart, you'll think about what I just told you in terms of where I'm going to be getting into this trade at and where I plan on exiting this trade at, because, hey, this hasn't been executed just yet. So basically, this is a free signal to you for the USD-CHF currency pair. 1.01021 for sale on down to 1.00522, which will net you $80-something and some change, $84 and some change. All right, guys. So you guys have a good day. Today is 4/16/2019, and I hope that you make some profits from this trade. Have a good day. Bye.